Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have brought an awesome and easy trick by help of which you will be able to write stylish 3D text just within a minute by help of the Pixellab. The link of the PLP file is given in the description, but password will be shown in the cards to the upper right corner of the video. So don't skip or don't try to download video, you may not get the password. So let me show you how to add a PLP file in Pixellab and make changes of your desire in the 3D text. So first of all, you have to click these three dots and then select the open PLP file. It will bring you to the gallery. Here you will find the 3D text which you have downloaded by the help of the link given in the description. Click on that blue PLP file and open and edit. So here you will get this template. If you want to edit this text, open the layer panels and edit all three layers and text should be same. Let's make changes to these fonts. After writing the same font in these three layers, hide the layer panel and make adjustments. First of all, reduce the size up to 200. Then go to the relative position and set it in the middle. Do the same with all three layers. So this is done with the three layers of the text. After that we have set the fire layers. Please follow my steps. Then click on the fire layers one by one and set them on the letters. You can also copy them. So guys, we have adjusted the all layers. That's all. I hope you will like this trick. At the last, go to the share sign and save the picture as PNG and Ultra. Subscribe my channel for easy tricks and remain in touch with all type of new editing material.